Hi guys, Ken Chigbo, aka KenFX3, back with another week roundup and look ahead to the key events. I just want to quickly summarize last week. It was very choppy. As you can see sort of here, the dollar finished the week in the red. This is the dollar index, okay? It finished in negative territory. Why? So we had a lot of risk appetite in the markets. What do I mean by that? All the riskier currencies, Euro, AUD, NZD, GBP, all of these currencies rallying, but the dollar was down because there's risk appetite in the markets. Markets are getting excited about fiscal stimulus. Okay, so there's going to be an injection of stimulus into the economy by perhaps this could happen before the elections, but I think markets are thinking this is going to happen anyway. Even after the elections, whoever becomes president, they're going to inject all this cash to stimulate the economy. Okay, so that's driving forward. And then Joe Biden is still seen as winning in the polls. So if Joe Biden wins, he's seen as good for risk appetite because he's going to spend more to help stimulate the economy. But also, a good thing is he won't be looking at fighting China the way Trump has in terms of tariffs. So he's seen as good for markets mood. Now, let's take a look at what we're seeing. So this is the dollar index, how we closed in the red. We cleared all this range of support. You see how the price found support here at 93, broken through. So that does leave the door open to some further downside, just as I have marked up here before the dollar comes higher. Now, what trade ideas have I got this week? Firstly, euro dollar. We broke out of this bullish flag structure. Okay, a nice bit of upside momentum. As I said, this being supported by the risk appetite. Watch out for these highs of last week. We need to break out and retest that around 118.75. And that'll give us a platform to run towards 120. I'd say being conservative, 119.80. GBP last week was a bit volatile, okay? We did finish up on the week. If you look at GBP dollar, okay, finished in, I'll just show you here, positive territory. And we've got this wick that I think we will go on and fill. There's still optimism around Brexit that's helping GBP push to the upside, that they can get a deal done before mid-November. They set another deadline. Bullish flag here for GU. We've found support around that psychological 130 mark. So I think we'll use this as a platform to extend to the upside. And I'm targeting up at 131.80. At least challenge these highs of last week. Okay, before, as you can see, I've got marked up before coming down after. Also, I like the look of Aussie dollar. Okay, just a bit of consolidation at the moment. I want to see us break out, retest, find support around 71.35, and then an extension to the upside towards 32.30. You see I've got this marked up in case of rejections there. And one very last setup, actually, Euro Aussie, something that we don't really look at, but I do, but I don't really show it to you guys. And we've had this flag structure. Breakout, watch this retest. So long as this retest holds, I think we'll see a nice extension to the upside. We'll have two targets of 167.40 and then also 168.00 up there to challenge those highs of also last week. Guys, in terms of the fundamentals at the moment, very much focused around elections. Elections is going to be on the 3rd of November, so just around 1 week now. So expect a bit choppy price action. May not be the cleanest to trade, but things will normalise after November 3rd when the elections pass, okay? This week we're just focusing on Brexit updates. We've got the ECB rate decision, not expecting much there. That's it really in terms of big events. Have an amazing one. Thank you.